What's up guys, it's Sebastian. I'm back from the beach, as you guys can see, got a little tan. But in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how I consistently am finding 6 and 7 figure products on almost a daily basis, to the point where I don't even have time to sell them all. So this will be a very informative video. I have a lot of methods that you guys can use, and if you compile them and use them all with a strict strategy, you will consistently find products that are able to make you a substantial amount of income, and you probably won't have an issue with ever finding a product again if you watch this whole video. So before we get into the method of exactly how I'm finding products, they're all free methods. It's not like I'm selling you guys some product research tool. Be sure to smash that like button and click subscribe, because I am posting every single day and I'm putting in work on these videos, so that's all I ask. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into this method. So to understand this method, you have to understand there are two types of products. There are products where you create the hype, so there are products that you can develop and there's no hype around it, like fidget spinner. Before that, there was a need for an anti-anxiety type of product, and the fidget spinner came along and sort of filled the gap in the market, and then people hopped onto the product and rode the wave. In order to create a wave, it requires a lot of money and a lot of ad spend to get your product in front of a lot of eyeballs, and that is very difficult. So we are not going to discuss how to create waves, because that's very tough. We're going to talk about how to ride waves, because you can still make 6 and 7 figures on products that you do not even, start the wave for. Okay, now that we have that covered, I'm going to give you guys exactly what I do. So number one, I use Flippa, Flippa.com. I basically make an account, hover over e-commerce, and then filter by type, and then go to dropshipping or dropship, and then I scroll through and figure out exactly which products are selling well. How do I know which ones are going to be selling well? I can filter by most profitable, which allows me to see the most profitable dropshipping websites being sold at the time, which that is very valuable. You're seeing products that are doing 7 figures, and they're almost giving away the whole blueprint on these Flippa listings. So Flippa, very slept on, easy way to find extremely good products. One of the products I wanted to sell was these resistance bands for fitness people, because gyms were closed and people still needed to work out, so I thought that was a good product. I didn't end up selling it, but someone did post their listing on Flippa and did crazy numbers with Instagram influencers with resistance bands, which makes sense because all these people are at home on their phone on social media. If they see an influencer they know talking about resistance bands, they may be more inclined to buy the product, which is why the product was so great. So I found a ton of those types of sites on Flippa, and it was just amazing that I can still every single day go on there and find new products. So Flippa is number one. And first, I'm going to mention all these ways to find products, and then I'll explain how to verify that these products are actually selling well. Okay, so number two is AliExpress Dropshipping Center product research or product analysis tool, both of those, but mainly the product research tool. So there is a tab on AliExpress that literally shows you top order products. You can go on there and filter by whatever category you want, whether it's beauty, health related products, electronics, it doesn't really matter. They show you everything. And then you can filter by orders and see exactly how many units for a specific product are being sold. And you can find a lot of products that you probably did not know were selling really well right now. So again, that is AliExpress. They have their own dropshipping center that shows you guys all of that stuff. Very, very valuable. I've found some weird products that I didn't think would sell well, but they were doing like thousands of orders every single month. And there are a lot of those sleeper products that no one knows about. And then you go on there and you figure out, holy crap, this weird thing is selling extremely well, and it's worth a shot. Now, this is one of the most valuable ones, I believe. In my opinion, I think it's the most valuable. It's on Facebook. I traditionally go through Instagram and Facebook, scroll through my feed, and look for ads. That's originally what I did on Instagram and Facebook. I just did that, and I found a lot of products doing that. I figured out that there was a different way to do this. Now, yes, there's the Chrome extension Turbo Ad Finder. I don't use it anymore because it doesn't even work on my computer, but that one's supposed to hide all posts and just show you ads on Facebook. Again, doesn't work on my computer, so if it works for you, good job, and I guess congrats, but it doesn't work for me, so I can't do that anymore. What I do is go on Facebook, type in 50% off free worldwide shipping. So I'll do that search term, and that will come up with tons of videos, and then I will normally filter, again, click the video tab, and then I will filter by this month's posts and see which videos have the most views. If it's a dropshipping product that has 1 million views the first 10 days of the month, I know it's selling well, and that's another good method I do. Now for that method, you can definitely switch up searches. So if you are doing 50% off, you can type in 40% off plus free shipping, or 40% off free shipping, or free plus shipping, or free worldwide shipping, or just like 50% off or today only. Stuff like that works really well on there, and you can find a lot of good products that are fresh, like just being marketed and are just starting to grow that wave, and you can hop on there and sell quite a few units. So that is one of the most valuable product research methods I use, because you can see exactly what people are selling. To go a step further, click on the Facebook page that has that video that they posted. Click to their page, scroll down a little bit. Onto the right, you should see page transparency. Click see more, and then it should pop up a little like window, and then click see ad library, and you will be able to see exactly what ads they're currently running. That is another extremely valuable thing to do. If you are never not motivated, go onto a big brand's Facebook page and do that, and you will realize how little testing you've done with ad creatives, because big companies do so much testing with ad creatives, from just the text they have to the video to the scroll stopper. They have so much stuff done. So always do that if you need to humble yourself and think your product isn't working, or your ads suck, or your ads are amazing. Go on some big page or some big brand and look at how much they're doing, and you will realize you're probably not testing enough creatives. But that is another amazing method that you can see exactly what ads are being ran right now. Another good one is Shopify Exchange. That is basically just like Flippa. It's another site to sell dropshipping pages or dropshipping stores. So you can go on there and find a lot of sites that have done a crazy amounts of revenue and see exactly what product they're selling, how they ran their ads, everything like that. So those are all great methods, but how do you know if the product is actually going to sell well? How do you know if it's trending right now? How can you verify that? Very simple. Next, you want to head on to Google Trends. So let's say you have a great product. You're like, oh yes, I'm freaking hyped. I think this is going to sell, but I really don't know. Maybe it's the last month that it's going to sell and then it's going to die off. Very simple method. Go on Google Trends, type in whatever product you're selling, and filter by 12 months. See if it's on an uptrend or a downtrend, and then go on 5 years and see if that is on an uptrend or downtrend. Now, all that is great if you find a good product solid, but you'll never make money if you don't know how to properly run the ads and set up the website. So in order to do that, what I suggest is going into Google, typing in the product, and trying to find competitors that are selling the product. Same thing with Facebook. You want to find as many competitors as you can so you can outdo them in some sense, because right now dropshipping, it's not getting saturated, it's just getting a little competitive, which is completely fine. Every business model is pretty much competitive. You just have to have an edge over your competitors. So if you guys are all selling the same product, you need to offer faster shipping, faster processing, a longer warranty, better pricing, better ad copy, better creatives. You need to do something better, or you will not generate different results than them. More so, you'll generate worse results than them if they're beating you. That is essential. And then also setting up your website. If you have seen a website that is doing $100,000 a month, you need to check out their website and learn from them, even $1 million a month. I have some sites that I have pulled up on my computer. I'll probably show you guys in tomorrow's video or something, that are doing over $1 million a month, and they are doing it with a very strict and specific method. And until you get a specific strategy in place that works to have your store set up properly, to properly convert the traffic, you won't be able to generate a crazy amount of sales. But that's about it. That's my product research method. It's very simple. Go on Flippa, check out exactly what dropship stores are selling. I go on AliExpress, see the product research tool on there, on the dropshipping center, and see what products are selling well. Go on to Shopify Exchange, check that out, and go on Facebook, type in like free plus shipping, 50% off, free shipping, free worldwide shipping, all that stuff. Figure out what products are selling well, cross-reference with Google Trends. And that's basically it. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. Click subscribe as well, because I'm posting every single day. Tomorrow, I'll probably do a video where I show you guys a site that's doing $1 million a month in revenue with dropshipping and how they have it set up, because oh my god, it is crazy. The site is pretty badass, and I've been watching it for quite some time. I was hesitant about showing you guys it, but I'm kind of at the point where I'm just like, whatever, might as well. So hopefully you guys are looking forward to that. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.